In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer on your Wix website in 2025. Whether you're a newbie to website building or just need a refresher, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautifully customized footer ready for your site. Let's start by heading to the Wix website editor. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, select your desired website. Let's call it My Site 1 for this walkthrough. The editor interface is your tool set for making all the visual and functional tweaks to your site. Now locate the page icon in the editor. This icon usually appears as a small rectangle representing a page and is quite intuitive to find. Clicking on this will give you access to all the pages on your site. As you do this, it's always good practice to take a moment and familiarize yourself with how your current site layout looks. Now, on the left-hand panel where you see the list of pages, find the home page. You'll notice three little dots next to it. Click on these dots, which will open up a menu of options specific to your home page. From this menu, you're going to choose Settings. Now, sure, navigating through menus might seem a bit tedious, but this is where you can start customizing your site's appearance and functionalities. Settings are crucial as they contain many customization options crucial for your site. After clicking Settings, you will see another menu. From here, select Layout. Now, what you're really doing at this point is diving into the nitty-gritty of how your web page is constructed, giving you control over how each section is arranged. Next, you need to click on Standard. This will configure your web page layout to a conventional mode, ideal for most website designs. Remember that while this walkthrough follows a standard procedure, Wix gives you room for personalization, so feel free to explore these options further and adjust as you see fit. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your page within the editor. You'll find a section designated as the footer. This is the area you're going to work on, and it offers plenty of space to add elements like contact information, social media links, site navigation, or any custom widgets you think will be helpful for your visitors. Once your footer is visible, commence adding your desired elements to it. With the tools provided within Wix, you can drag and drop features, edit text, and format it to align with your site's theme. Remember, the footer plays an essential role in guiding your visitors, so keep it clean, simple, and relevant. And there you have it, your very own customized footer on your Wix site. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and easy to follow. Adding a footer is a useful way to enhance your website's usability and provide visitors with the necessary information right at the bottom of each page. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.